Hi, my name's Dan and my family and I recently extended our home with a Guardian extension. We're a large family with 5 kids, from toddlers to teenagers, so space really was at a premium. We were living on top of each other. We did our research and decided to go with Guardian. We were impressed with the work that they'd done on other houses. We were also confident it would be up, built and usable far quicker than a traditional extension. From the get-go, we were blown away by the service we received from Guardian. The communication was great, the planning was very thorough and they made it all very easy to understand. A big deal for us was budget, and Guardian made all conversations around money an easy one. They went above and beyond when planning how we could make the best use of our funds. For example, rehoming our existing bifold and French doors in the new extension. The guys from Guardian walked us through each phase as work progressed. We really felt part of the process from planning to completion. The speed was incredible. Our house was not a building site for 3 months as it would have been with a traditional brick and mortar extension. Instead, the job was complete in 1 week, hassle-free. The extra space has opened up a world of possibilities, not to mention the extra lights. We've got the bifolds, we've got the French doors, and we've got the Velux roof windows. The Guardian extension gives us flexibility. Just simple things like creating more dining space. There's 7 of us, so it's nice to be able to sit down and have a meal and actually enjoy it. It gives the teenagers respite from the younger ones, and with GCSEs and A-levels just around the corner, they've loved having the extra study space. And when the teenagers vacate, it's another room for the little ones to go and cause havoc in. When all that's done and dusted, it's just a great calm space for us to sit down and chill out in at the end of the day. All in all, the experience was fantastic from start to finish. Speed, value, communication, end product, we couldn't fault it. When the extension was finished, the kids decided we had room for a dog. So we got one of them as well. So thanks to Guardian, we now have a house that feels like a home.